In this video, we are going to show you how to pair an additional sensor to your Waterlock system. An additional sensor can be useful if you want to detect standing water or measure the humidity in multiple areas of your home. Let's run through how you pair a new sensor. First, open the Waterlock app. Click on the three dots on the bottom right to enter your settings page, and then click Manage Devices. Tap on Add a Device at the bottom and select the device you wish to add. In this case, select the sensor. You will then be prompted by the app to add a pairing code which is located on the underside of your new sensor. The pairing code is unique to each device. Once you have entered your pairing code, you will be asked to pull the battery tab out the bottom of the sensor. The small LED on the underside of the sensor will begin to blink red. This indicates that your device has entered pair mode. Click I've done it, and your sensor will be successfully paired. Now, we are going to run through how to rename a device in your app. Once your sensor has been paired, you will have the ability to rename it to something more convenient, such as upstairs bathroom, which will help you identify its location. To rename the sensor, click on the three dots on the bottom right, which sends you to the settings page. Click Manage Devices, then click on the three dots next to the device you wish to rename, in this case, the sensor. Enter the name you wish to use and tap Save. Your device will now have been renamed. We hope you found this video useful. If you would like any further help, then please follow the link to our website at the end of this video.